Jason, I don't understand this menu.
Don't worry, we can ask the waiter. Hello, are you ready to order?
Wait! I need more time!
Of course, take your time.
This restaurant looks nice.
Yes, I've heard the food is good. Here is your table. Thank you.
I like this place.
Me too.
There are so many choices.
I know.
I don't understand some of these words.
Which words?
What does this mean?
I'm not sure.
Maybe we can ask the waiter?
Good idea. Hello, are you ready to order?
Wait, I need more time.
Of course, take your time.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
What do you recommend?
Our grilled chicken is very popular.
What does it come with?
It comes with rice and vegetables.
That sounds good. What about this sandwich?
That's our turkey sandwich.
Does it have cheese? Yes, it does. Can I have it without cheese?
Of course.
Thank you.
I know what I want.
What are you gonna order?
I'm gonna try the pasta. Are you ready to order now?
Yes, I'd like the grilled chicken, please.
And for you? I'd like the pasta, please. Would you like anything to drink?
Could I have some water, please?
Of course. I'll have a lemonade, please. Great, I'll be right back.
I'm excited to try the food.
Me too. I really enjoyed it.
The food was delicious. Excuse me,
Yes?
could we have the bill, please?
Of course.
Thank you. Thank you.
You did a great job ordering.
I asked a lot of questions.
That's how you learn. Did you enjoy the restaurant?
Yes!
What did you learn today?
I learned that it's okay to ask questions.
Exactly.
And I learned how to order food in
You're
English.
becoming more confident every day.
I can't wait for our next adventure. Now it's time for the listening challenge. I will ask you a few questions about the story. Listen carefully and try to answer each question. You will have 3 seconds to answer before I reveal the answer. Are you ready? Let's begin. Question 1. Where did Sophia and Jason go? The answer is a restaurant. Did you get it right? Don't worry. Question 2. What did Sophia ask the waiter? The answer is, what do you recommend? Still don't get it? Don't worry. Question 3. What did the waiter recommend? The answer is the grilled chicken. Question 4. What did Sophia ask for without cheese? The answer is the turkey sandwich. Question 5. What did Jason order? The answer is the pasta. How many questions did you answer correctly? Great job! Now let's review some useful words from today's story. Let's review the vocabulary word. Menu. A menu is a list of food and drinks that you can order at a restaurant. For example, can I see the menu, please? Let's review another word. Ingredients. Ingredients are the foods used to make a meal. For example, what ingredients are in this sandwich? Let's review the vocabulary word. To order means to ask for food or drinks at a restaurant. I'd like to order the pasta, please. Let's review another word. Waiter. A waiter is a person who takes your order and brings food to your table at a restaurant. The waiter brought our food. Let's review the vocabulary word. Recommend. To recommend something means to suggest something because you think it is good. What do you recommend? I will say a sentence. Listen carefully. Then, repeat the sentence after me. You will have 3 seconds. Number 1. Could we have a table for 2, please? Your turn. 3, 2, 1. Great job, number 2. What do you recommend? Your turn. 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Number 3. Does it have cheese? Your turn. 3, 2, 1. Good. Number 4. I'd like the grilled chicken, please. Your turn. Wonderful. Number 5. Could I have some water, please? Your turn. Your turn. Thank you for practicing with me today. You did a great job. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Also, come back for our next adventure, shopping for clothes. See you next time.